Hi everyone, it's Selena Maria here. I'm so excited for today's video. This curly hair routine will be featuring Pattern. I absolutely love Tracy Ellis Ross. I am a huge fan. I've been wanting to try Pattern for the longest time now, so I'm so excited to share this experience with you all. Today we're going to be transforming my 3-week-old silk press into juicy, voluminous curls. If you'd like to see how Pattern brought my curls back to life, stay tuned. I've just cleansed my hair. Now I'm going to be going in with the medium conditioner for curlies. Immediately, I noticed how beautiful and light the scent is. Later this day, I did receive so many compliments. It's not overbearing and it's just enough. I am absolutely loving how thick this conditioner is because your girl needs all the moisture. After about 5 minutes, I will begin detangling with the wide tooth comb. To prevent breakage, begin at your ends and work your way up. This product has amazing slip, which made detangling a breeze. I've rinsed out the conditioner and my hair was left feeling super soft and hydrated. Now it's time to prep for styling. I always part my hair into 4 sections. Going in with the styling cream, I always like to make sure my hair is fully saturated before adding any product. This styling cream is the perfect density and it is gliding through my hair. Next up is the styling Custard. I am absolutely obsessed with this product. My hair thrives with the lightweight custard and this one melts right in. The next tool we'll be using is the shower brush. This step is one of my favorites because it brings all the products together and creates frizz-free definition. After passing the brush through, I always like to twist and fluff to help activate the curl. Love the versatility of switching it up with the middle or side part, so I always start with the side parts first. At this point, I'm already loving what I'm seeing. My curls feel super nourished and defined. As a final step before I dry, I will be scrunching with the curl gel. This will seal in all the product and create a soft hold. After air drying, using the strong cold gel, you know we gotta lay those baby hairs down. This formula isn't sticky, flaky, or drying, and my edges were secured all day. Then unclump away. I'm also looking for any areas that may have some frizz. Then I will go in with the hydrating mist and retwist those pieces. And for the key to volume, I will be picking my hair from the root using the wide tooth comb. Also, I must add that these mini tools are the perfect travel size. They're durable and high quality. And voila, we are finished. You guys, this is first day hair. Volume like this is almost unheard of, so I am overly impressed. Overall, I would 100% recommend. This line is a 10 out of 10 and I can tell the results will be long lasting. Did I mention the packaging is gorgeous? You see that bounce, you see that shine. Let's show them we can do both with the middle part. Thank you so much, Pattern, for reviving my curls. And thank you for watching this entire video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.